Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your LVAC membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, if you want to cancel your Las Vegas Athlete Club membership, you need to contact with the customer support team, otherwise you are not able to cancel your subscription. So when you type this term like how to cancel LVAC membership, it will show you this kind of option like Las Vegas Athlete Club. On this page they will provide you all the phone numbers. You can contact them and you can ask or you can make a request. Then you want to cancel your membership and you need to provide a valid reason, and then they are able to cancel your membership. Otherwise there is one more option, and this option is little bit tricky, and when you are on call, please make sure ask a proof of cancellation on your email in the written proof. Okay, so you can do one thing also, you can compose an email. In the email you just need to replace subscription as membership, and you can compose a proper email. In the end of the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. And once you done the email, you need to send the email, you need to copy the email, and once you are on this page like contact as well, on this page like there is a option in the very bottom side, like there is a option like how we can help. You need to select this drop down menu and you can select this option like cancellation information. Okay, and you need to provide your name, your last name, your email ID, your registered phone number, and your membership ID, and your location. And you need to, in the comment section, you need to paste the complete email which you have composed. Okay, and once your email is done, once you complete each and everything, you just need to simply hit this button like submit button. After filling this form, after making a tick on this option like I'm not a robot, you need to just simply tap on this button like hit submit button. Okay, and once you done this thing, like you can submit this option and your request will submit, and that's it. Okay, and wait for their reply, and once you receive their reply from their side, then it means your cancellation is done. If you don't get any reply from their side, it means your cancellation is not done, your subscription is still active, and you need to ask you need to keep in touch with the customer support regarding the same. Okay, until you don't get any proof of cancellation. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your LVAC subscription or membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.